Hey lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with the Walmart Ibotta Haul, guys. I found some rebates that I haven't done before, so I have to share it with my lovely people. All right, lovely people, let's jump into the haul. First product I decided to do was the All Free and Clear, priced $2.97 in my Walmart. I used a $1 insert coupon that will be in the 4/18 save insert for this coming Sunday, dropping my cost in store to $1.97. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only 97 cents for the All Free and Clear laundry detergent. Good deal. Next rebate I decided to do was on this big bag of Bird's Eye broccoli florets. My husband and I, we eat broccoli all kinds of ways. So this was priced $5.98 in my Walmart. I didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay $5.98 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $4.98 for the Bird's Eye broccoli florets. I think that's a great deal because I buy bags of broccoli from Sam's. So that's a product I'm gonna buy anyway, guys. Next rebate I decided to do was on the Air Wick plug-in oil refill. This is the 2 count, and the scent for this one is a hibiscus and blooming orchid. Okay, so this was priced $4.88 in my Walmart. I did not have a coupon, so I had to pay $4.88 in store. There is a $1.25 Ibotta rebate coming back, making the final cost $3.63 for the Air Wick refills. Yes. Next rebate, guys, was on the Oreo Dynasty. Okay. These is NBA Dynasty Oreos. It's a limited edition. They've got little imprints on the Oreos, guys. Price $3.67 in my Walmart. I did not have a coupon, so I had to pay $3.67 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $2.67 for the Oreos. Limited edition. Next rebate, guys, was on the Betty Crocker pancake mix. All right, this is a pretty good size bag. This is a 32 ounce pack, and it was priced $2.98 in my Walmart. I did not have a coupon, so I had to pay $2.98 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate coming back, and there is some shop kick points. You're gonna scan the pancake pack in store, and you're going to upload the receipt, and you're going to get back a total of $1.16 from Shopkick, making the final cost for the pancake mix only 82 cents, guys. I think that is a great deal. Next rebate I decided to do was on the Sargento Creamery Baby Swiss, because I'm making hamburgers tonight. Priced $2.95 in my Walmart. I didn't have a coupon for this, so I paid $2.95 in store. There is a $1 Ibotta rebate coming back, making the final cost $1.95 for the Sargento cheese. Yeah, Baby Swiss. I was gonna buy cheese anyway, so I figured, what the heck, let me get that. Next rebate, guys, I did the Coca Cola again, and this is what I'm doing with the drinks. I am saving these drinks because it's about to be summer. We may have some cookouts, and for these drinks that are okay to be stored hot, that's what I'm doing with them. I'm not sticking all these things in my refrigerator because I don't have a room. All right, so these are priced $1.88 in my Walmart. No coupon, so I paid $1.88 in store. There is a 25 cents Ibotta rebate coming back, making the final cost $1.63 for the Coca Cola. Wouldn't you like to go to a cookout and they give you your own 20-ounce soda? Yeah, so everybody can have their soda, and then the little kids won't be walking around opening drinks and sitting them down, opening drinks and sitting them down. Don't you hate that? Sometimes it ain't the little kids, sometimes it's the adults. Next rebate, guys, was on the Ajax. I'm going to burn this up. As long as they're giving it to me, I'm going to get it. $1.67 in my Walmart for the Ajax dish detergent. No coupon, so I had to pay $1.67 in store. There is a 25 cents Ibotta rebate, making the final cost $1.42 for the Ajax. I'm going to keep doing this rebate, Tonty. Okay? You can't beat dishwashing liquid. You must stock up, okay? And you know what? We don't really get dishwashing liquid coupons, so why would I not take advantage of this? I'm just saying. Even though my preferred dishwashing liquid is Dawn, but how many times do we get Dawn coupons? I mean, really? Okay. Next rebate, guys, is the Carbona Stain Devils. You already know how I feel about this. $2.28 in my Walmart. No coupon, so I had to pay $2.28 in store, but there is a $1 Ibotta rebate, making the final cost only $1.28 for the Stain Devils that are amazing little products. All right, let's talk about the numbers. How much did everything cost? I did one transaction, guys, and it was a total of $29.26. I did have one coupon for the all laundry detergent that dropped my cost down to $28.26. I decided to use some gift cards, so I used a $5 Shopkick gift card, and I used a $10 Fetch gift card. That dropped my cost down to $13.26. So I paid for that with Ibotta money. Now, what did I get back from Ibotta? I got back $8.10 from Ibotta in actual rebates, and I did get a 50-cent Coca Cola bonus for repeat purchasing of the Coca Cola, which was great. Then I expect to get back $1.16 back from Shopkick for the pancake mix. Yes. So that's going to make my final cost, guys, be only $3.50. Okay. Which is a wonderful, because I got 9 items. That's about 39 cents an item. I think that is amazing, guys. First of all, I would have paid more than $3.50 just for my big bag of broccoli. So anytime I'm able to do Ibotta and utilize it for grocery, I'm there, okay? I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, would you please do me a favor and give me a thumbs up, okay? And if you guys are not already a member of the Coupon Crew, okay, can you please hit that pink box in the corner? It's in one of them corners. I think it's in this corner. All right, hit that little pink box. That's the little subscribe box. Or you can hit the subscribe below and hit the bell for notifications, so you will know when I come on here, guys, and want to do some coupon talking, okay? Showing you some deals or whatever, letting you know to go check your Ibotta and see if you got a bonus, because I like to post that in the community tab, okay? Yes, guys. So I do have another Ibotta video that is going to be uploaded tonight, so please, please, please stay tuned for that, guys. Be on the lookout for it. All right, happy Friday, and remember, click to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.